In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in Google Ads using some easy steps. If you're running international campaigns or simply need to adjust your account settings to match your local currency, this guide is here to help. We'll take this process step by step, so even if you're new to Google Ads, you'll be able to follow along. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads website. Simply type in Google Ads in the search bar and it should be the first result you see. Once you've loaded the page, the next thing you'll need to do is to sign into your Google Ads account. You'll find the sign in button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your account credentials. If you're having trouble signing in, double check your email and password to ensure they're correct. After successfully logging into your account, you'll be taken to the Google Ads homepage. From here, look towards the top of your screen and click on the Tools and Settings icon. This is usually represented by a wrench or gear icon. Clicking on that will bring up a drop-down menu. Next, you want to select Admin from this menu. Once you're in the Admin section, you'll see a variety of options. Here, focus your attention and click on Account Settings. This is where you'll manage various settings related to your Google Ads account. Now, once you're in the account settings, look for the option that says Time Zone and click on it. This step may seem a bit unexpected when your goal is changing currency. However, both time zone and currency are closely linked in Google Ads settings. It's important to note that changing the currency option doesn't reset past campaign data. It's also worth mentioning that once the currency is changed, this cannot be undone or easily switched back to a previous setting. So make sure you're selecting the correct currency that suits your business needs. Throughout this process, if you encounter any issues or need further assistance, Google Ads offers great support via their Help Center. They provide various articles and resources that can guide you through more specific issues or advanced settings. And there you have it. Following these simple steps, you should now be able to change the currency in your Google Ads account. By keeping your account settings correct and up to date, you ensure a smoother experience in managing your campaigns. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides like this one. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.